In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft OneNote notebook. Sharing lets teammates view or collaborate on the same set of notes, and it works best when the notebook lives in the cloud. Before you share, make sure your notebook is saved in OneDrive or SharePoint. If it's sitting only on your computer, OneNote will prompt you to move it online. Go ahead and follow that prompt and pick the right OneDrive or SharePoint location for your work or school account so everyone you invite can reach it. Once your notebook is in the cloud, open it in OneNote on Windows, Mac, or the web. Look for File, or simply the Share button near the top. Choose Share with People or Share Entire Notebook. In the invite box, type the people you want to include. You can add one person or several. Next, choose the permission level. Select Can Edit if you want others to add or change pages, insert images, or rearrange sections. Pick Can View when you only want them to read without making changes. This is great for finalized handbooks or meeting notes you don't want altered. When you're ready, click Send or Share. The recipients will receive an email that contains a link to your notebook, and they can open it in OneNote or in a browser. If your organization restricts sharing outside the company, make sure the people you invite are allowed under your organization's settings. Sometimes you don't want to invite people one by one. In that case, you can create a shareable link. Go to File and Share, or click the Share icon, then choose Copy Link or Get a Link. Decide whether the link should be View Only or Edit. View links are safer for broad distribution, while edit links are best for a small group you trust to collaborate. Copy the link and paste it into an email, chat, or message. Anyone with that link will have the access you selected. For smoother collaboration, let people know which section they should use, and consider locking down sensitive sections by keeping them in a separate notebook. If anything changes later, return to the same Share panel to adjust permissions or stop sharing. You can also test the link by opening it in a private browser window to confirm the right access level. And if someone needs to switch from View to Edit later, update their permission from the same sharing window instead of creating a new link. That's it. With your notebook in OneDrive or SharePoint, you can invite specific people or share a link in just a few clicks.